Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After inserting a formula into a Word table, you must recalculate the formula to reflect any changes made to the data calculated by the formula. Unfortunately, this is not an Excel spreadsheet, which has that feature by default. So in Word, if you change any of the numbers you originally input and then calculated in a formula, you must recalculate the formula for it to calculate the new numbers. This process is easy to perform, however. To recalculate a formula in a cell, select the formula to update, and then press the F9 key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you could also right-click the formula field within the cell, and then select the Update Field command from the pop-up menu that appears. Alternatively, to update all the formulas in an entire table at once, select the entire table, and then press the F9 key on your keyboard.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.